Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my AULA, which I think I'm pronouncing that right, F75 Pro mechanical keyboard. Just got this bad boy in. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here's the first look. Very nice. It's well packaged. Right here. It's like a quick start guide. Let's go ahead and take it out. Here's more of a more in-depth instructions on it. Very nice. The back. All right. Let's see what else we get. So you can connect it right back here through the Type-C, through Bluetooth, and wirelessly. Here is one of the dongles for it. And then you also get the Type-C cable for it, because it is a wireless keyboard as well. So you can remove the little keys and 2 extra switches on there as well. So I'm probably gonna go wireless today. I'm gonna hook it up to my iPad just to kind of test it out. But let's see how it feels on here. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, so setting up the Bluetooth is actually very, very simple. Literally was able to do it in 2 steps. So you can see I got it hooked up to the iPad. Now let's actually try it out. All right, so the setup was fairly simple even for just Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and test it out, just see how it kind of feels. Let's see. You can see it's already working on there. Delay's not bad. I actually won't actually be using this for gaming. It'll actually be more for work from home, but I love the mechanical keyboards. I love the feel on it. I really, really like it. And I like that it's not like a big, huge keyboard. I probably won't be using it for my iPad. I just wanted to do it, at least for this example. Let's go through some of the lightings. I think that's super cool. And then we'll see what else we got. Okay, so here's some of the examples quickly on the RGB patterns that you can get on here. You can also customize them through their website, which I thought was fairly neat, but again, really, really cool. Cool, so there was some of the lighting features, and then just a couple other things I wanted to point out. It does have that knob right here, so you can control or mute any of the media you got going on. It does control up, you can hook up to 5 different devices to the keyboard at once, and all you gotta do is just toggle through all of them. So I thought that was really, really cool. Like I said, I use it just on the iPad, but I'll probably keep it on my desktop most of the time. And then I just saw that people do a lot of sound tests, so I'll get a little closer and let's see. I think it's super solid. So if you're looking for an awesome keyboard, like I said, one thing that I did forget to mention, if I didn't already, was this is a wireless keyboard. It does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery built into it. And it's going to last you quite a bit. Also, it's going to depend if you always have the lights on, things like that, and how often you use it. But overall, this is a really, really solid gaming keyboard. It's got, like I said, the RGB lights. It's got all the functions to be able to hook it up. So if you're looking for a good keyboard, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.